How to fix YouTube video caption not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix YouTube caption or subtitle not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to turn on caption properly. So first open the YouTube app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then what you can do is just open any video that you like. And now here, once you're inside the video, what you can do is just tap on the double CC button, which can be seen in the top right side of the video. So here, once you tap on it, then the subtitle will start appearing. But here, if you don't see caption, then what you can do is just tap on the gear icon just beside that subtitle button. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just select caption. And after that, you can choose the available subtitle language from here. But here, if you don't find any, then we will move forward to the step 2, that is to check the YouTube app updates. So sometimes caption stop working because the app is outdated. So here in this case, what you can do is just close the YouTube app, and after that you can simply open the Play Store. Now here, once you are inside the Play Store, just search for the YouTube app. And now here, once you've found the YouTube app, just check if there is any update button available or not. But here, if you find any update button, then you can just tap update to update the app to the latest version. And after updating, you can simply reopen the app and check if the caption is working or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear YouTube app cache. So here, just in case if you're using Android, then what you can do is just go to the settings. So here, simply open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, just tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type YouTube and search for it. And now here, from the search result, just select YouTube. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just select clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And now with that, you can simply open the app again and test the caption. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check the internet connection. So here, caption get lost or fails to load because of the slow internet connection. So in that case, what you can do is you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and after that you can simply reload the video. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to try another video. So here is the thing, not every video has caption available. So here, if you get to the video that don't have caption, then what you can do is just close that video and simply play another video and check if the captions appear there. And there, if they do, then the original video simply does not support the subtitles. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.